are playing some Lock It Link tonight. Look at that grand and the major. I put in a $100 ticket, but it's 2-cent denom, so I got it within like 2 spins now, and I'm playing a dollar bet. I know free games has great multipliers in this one. However, when you have a major like that, you gotta go for it. So I'm gonna go for the Lock It feature. Oh, wait a minute. Actually, I wasn't thinking. I don't think you can't land the. Yeah, that was a mistake on my part. I should have went with the free games because you cannot land the grand or the major after the fact. Darn it. But here we go. Every time we land a heart, every heart goes up by $1. 2-cent denom. Let me see if I can turn this down just a bit. Really loud. Okay. Oh, 1 heart. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Yep, you'll have to tell me in the comments what your opinion is, but I definitely think I made a mistake there, and I should have went with the free games. Oh, okay, we're adding them up. All right, not bad. $1 bet, 2-cent denom, $34 win, but I got it like pretty much right away. There's our trigger. Weird coin show. Let's stay live and see what happens. I know I don't play this Lock It Link nearly as much as a lot of my viewers would like. So let's see what we can do here. Wait a minute. 66. Wait. Why do I... Oh yeah. Alright, those 3 of the cityscapes, boom, boom, and boom for the bonus, or 3 hearts. The credits were throwing me off. I forgot it's 2-cent denom in it. I just felt like I had a huge amount of money. But I did not. Definitely did not have a huge amount of money. Oh, come on. Gold coin is wild. Oh, our slot heavy gentleman. Okay, well. And in the bonus, the reason why Nightlife is such a good bonus, you can get a multiplier up to, I think, 7x. So that was the way to go, darn it. Let's see if we could... Oh! Alright, $6. Take that. Oh. Do it! Yes! Oh my goodness. Okay. I have learned my lesson. I am not going with the Lock It feature this time, but let's compare. We won $34 on the Lock It feature. Let's see what 6 free games does. Oh, we want those coins. Oh no. Keep going. That's gotta be good. And a ×7. ×7. How we're not getting a coin show for that, I don't know. But that was a great win. 2 cents and on. Nice, $44 line hit. 3 spins to go. Oh, no wasting, no wasting. Oh my, okay, times 6. Alright, last spin. Oh, do it, do it. Oh, that was really, I did not like that. That like skipped. So that was a $46 dollar win. That did beat the locket feature. Let's do a little bit more here. For me, you have to let me know in the comments if you have any personal like pet peeves or anything that you look for when you play slots. For me, when a machine skips or acts kind of funky, I usually cash out. To me, I guess that's one of my little superstitions. Oops, I didn't see that. That was good. When it skips like that, I usually don't feel comfortable playing it. I am playing at Red Hawk Casino in Northern California, and this is a bingo-based machine. Oh, so sometimes they do skip like that, but I don't love it. Oh, now I feel like it's... Ah! Okay, we'll do a couple more, because... Oh, thought we were going to land it. Just kind of spinning a little bit funny for me. But we put in $100 and we're up to $160, so that's a win. Couple more. Oh. All right, we put in $100 and we are cashing out a little bit over $150 on Locket Link Nightlife with a big old brand and a big old major. All right, Red Hawk Casino, and look at that, I had $1.10 left. I decided just to put $15 free play into one of my favorite games, actually the most watched video on my channel, and I got the bonus on $3 max bet. So here we go. Let's see what we get. Come on, free games. Yep, 66. Woo! All right. We'll take that for sure. There's our quick hit amount. There's our bonus. 66 is one of the highest ones up there. Free games on this. Check it out on my channel. It's my most watched video, and it is Re-Trigger Insanity. And when I was playing it at Great and Casino, the max bet was $1.50. So since I put in $15 free play, let's play this one a little bit. $3 max bet. Ooh, had some sevens. Come on. Trying to be quiet, not get excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, so glad I sat down here and popped in 15 bucks free play. Come on. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. See if we can get maybe one more spin out of it, but I don't want to give it all back. If you're watching for the first time, you're watching Slot Queen, thank you for watching. I love to play slots, record my videos, share them with you, and spread some fun and positivity. Oh, it just went by. All right, let's see. What do we want to do here? I really don't want to give it all back. Oh my gosh. It's reeling me in. It's reeling me in. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go to 50. So 15 free play. If I catch out 50, I'm happy with that. Oh my gosh, it knows. It totally knows. She's getting ready to leave me. Oh, $15. Okay. Oh, I really thought that was it. I thought that one was coming. Oh my gosh. So wherever you're watching from in the world today, I hope you're having a great day. And if not, then I hope this video brings you a little bit of fun or smile, brings the casino into your home. Oh, oops, gotta pay attention, chatting away. Okay, this is gonna be our possible last spin. Oh, I think that line, oh my gosh. Heck to the yes. 101.50. Okay, let's see how we do here. We're gonna set a new, wow, this is awesome. This is bringing back great memories of one of the very first videos I ever recorded. All right, so how about, let's go 70. Oh, I thought that was something, a little something. Okay, this is going to be possibly our last spin right here. Ooh, you know what we'll do? We'll do 150. It's not max bet, so if we hit the quick hits, we are not getting those progressive amounts. Oh, okay. We have new life. Back to $3. Come on. One more last second save would be awesome. Okay, possible last spin. Okay, 150. Oh my gosh, that would have been seriously epic. We have enough for one more, we have enough for one more. Okay, that's it. $15 free play in. There was the quick hits, and we are going to cash out $70.20 from, whoops, that didn't work. There we go. From free play. Thanks for watching. Make sure and check out my most viewed video on my channel.